Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Today I will show you how to use the workspace of String ERP application. For that we need to install the app from Play Store. I already have installed it, so I will open the app. Now as we can see, we'll join a workspace and we'll enter the URL followed by connect. On this screen, we'll enter the credentials, that is username and password. After that, we'll click on login button. Now on the next step, I need to select the company. Here I'll select the D&V Enterprise. After selecting that, I need to select the year and I'll select 2021 to 2022. As we can see, the dashboard is displayed for the data of D&V Enterprise for year 2021 to 2022.